I'm Trisha. I'd like y'all to excuse my face. It's kind of swollen right now because I had surgery like 2 days ago. And my hair, because I haven't been able to do anything with it. And no makeup, and I look totally horrible and hard. So just excuse this. But I decided to make a vlog today because I'm at my mom's and I'm just happy, and I would be smiling way more than this, but it's just I got stitches in my mouth, and every time I go to smile, it kind of pulls on them and it hurts. So yeah, and I think my radio's too loud, so I'm gonna go turn it down. Okay. Y'all like my candle, y'all? I miss it. And of course, my holy water. I keep holy water on me. I feel like I'm about to pass out. Okay, well, y'all want to go see Puddin?
Oh, what you doing?
Hey, Puddin! I'm recording Puddin talking.
Oh, okay.
What you doing?
I'm going to see about my offer. But I might get some out to go and get some darn stuff. Get me some beer.
Oh, you just like pushed my face. Yeah. Puddin, how'd puppy dog go?
Hello.
How'd puppy dog go?
How'd puppy dog go? Hello.
How'd puppy dog go? How'd puppy dog go? How'd the mini cat go?
Meow.
How'd the mini cat go?
Meow. 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 Meow.
How'd the mini cat go? Puddin, I love you. I love you. Put on your ugly girl. Be nice.
Hello.
Good. 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 Yeah. I love you. Come on.
Hello.
Come on.
Good.
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 Good. Oh, Puddin.
Good.
They can have a little bit of salad. Very great.
Hello.
How'd the puppy dog go?
How'd puppy dog go?
Either that or Trisha taking. You two are now us for cooking, Monya. Don't you put it on, Lord.
Alright, well,
This is bad to be on the internet. You ain't putting my chunky booty on there.
this is the cooking channel. We got us some onions. And let's just watch them cook.
Oh my God. This ain't right.
She ain't right.
No.
I promised my viewers that I would have something interesting on there.
Oh, we buffalo. Put us. We buffalo.
And bumping into each other in the kitchen, trying to cook two different meals. Curse me out, Puddin. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. What are you doing? Come on, Billy. Come on.
Just because the other one, we got to get. We all had the same size too.
Come on, Billy.
stitches today? That's so good.
Come on. Come on, boy. Come on.
And 2 red velvet.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Good.
That's good.
Good.
Alright, half of them.
This bird could so totally bite off my finger.
Good. Woo! Hello. What the hell are you doing? Woo! Good color.
I told you not to do that.
Look, they're going to put in that in like red velvet. See this thing?
Mom,
You don't see that. You see red velvet cake with the top of this? You never see cake.
Good. Hello.
hello.
Even the snake was good.
How'd the puppy dog go? How'd the puppy dog go? Hello.
Because it's
No,
stores around here. You buy red velvet cake.
How'd the puppy
You
dog
got the
go?
red color in it with chocolate. Yeah.
How much is that?
I told you not to do that. I told you not to do that.
Like
Don't call me Uncle
Girl.
Girl.
They're making?
I told you not to do that. What? I told you not to do that. Mama, she's over here calling me ugly girl and telling me I told you not to do that. Woo! 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 Party!
I could talk.
Yeah, no, I told y'all he knows how to say that. I can talk. I can talk.
That's the first time I heard him say that. What he said to you yesterday, he said something and you said, what you said and what he told you? I didn't say nothing. Yeah, he said nothing. I said nothing.
The puppy dog go.
Because every time I go to walk away, he mumbles something. And then I say, what did he say? Nothing. I said nothing.
This bird got a mind of his own. How'd the cat go?
Meow.
Woo! Party!
That's your girl. Tell her you're sorry. Tell her you're sorry. Tell her you're sorry.
Please. Please. Okay, well, this video is me and Puddin's video. Puddin! Hey, bird! Hey, bird! Puddin loves y'all. I love you.
What?
I think he said, I can see that.
No, he said, I want a peanut. Can I have a peanut?
Puddin want peanuts? You heard him, Mama?
What?
He said it clear as day. He said, I can talk. You
It
guys,
be a video. Look at him looking at himself in the mirror. In there. He's talking to that bird.
Mama, he's protective.
He's talking to that bird. He sees that bird in there. He's talking to him.
Mama, he don't like you behind me. He's overprotective on me. Ain't you ready, my Puddin? What? What? I love you more. I love you more. There's my Puddin. Yeah, my Puddin. Yeah. Mama, I'm like the only one who could hold him for this long without him flying away. Cause you know how when you and Sherry try to pick him up, he like flies away? Okay, well, this is Trisha signing off. Well, saying goodbye to y'all. That was Puddin, my mom, and Miss Whatchamajiggy. I forgot her name. But okay.
My favorite song.